Hello, beautiful people! Christmas is right around the corner. We're here to help you create lasting memories with the perfect dinner setup. There's something special about gathering around the table during the holidays. From timeless elegance to cozy charm, these ideas will transform your dining space into a wonderland. Let's dive into 10 elegant and cozy setups you'll love for Christmas Day. There's a reason why red and gold are the quintessential Christmas colors. Lay down a luxurious red tablecloth, maybe velvet, paired with gold chargers. Add sparkle with gold-rimmed glassware and candlelight. A simple centerpiece of red poinsettias, pine sprigs, and tall red candles completes the look. If you're dreaming of a white Christmas, why not bring that serene beauty indoors? An all-white theme creates a sense of peacefulness and elegance. Start with a crisp white tablecloth and layer in white dishes, white napkins, even white flowers. Add dimension with frosted glass votives and silver cutlery. For those who prefer a laid-back, natural vibe, a rustic cabin theme is perfect. Start with a burlap table runner and layer on wooden chargers for a down-to-earth feel. Plaid napkins and mason jars with fairy lights create a magical centerpiece. Scatter a few pine cones around the table for an extra touch of nature. If you love a contemporary style, add a touch of modern glam to your Christmas dinner table. Set the foundation with a black tablecloth or runner and layer on white plates for contrast. Gold flatware adds that perfect touch of glam. For the centerpiece, think tall, slender black candles in gold candle holders or a striking arrangement of white orchids in a black vase. There's a certain elegance in simplicity, and that's what Scandinavian design is about. Start with a linen tablecloth in a natural hue like ivory or light beige. Choose simple white dinnerware and add warmth with wooden chargers or placemats. A sprig of eucalyptus or rosemary on each plate and a low centerpiece of white candles and natural elements complete the look. Christmas is all about creating magical moments, especially for the little ones. Embrace whimsy with a festive candy cane theme. Red and white striped napkins evoke that candy cane feel. For the centerpiece, a glass jar filled with candy canes or a peppermint-scented candle adds sweetness. If you love the romance and elegance of a bygone era, a vintage Victorian Christmas is perfect. Start with a lace tablecloth over a rich jewel-toned one. Deep red or burgundy is a classic choice. Use vintage-inspired plates and antique accents. There's nothing quite as cozy as gathering around a crackling fireplace on a chilly Christmas evening. Choose warm, inviting colors like burgundy, forest green, and amber for your tablecloth and centerpieces. Add extra layers of coziness with knit stockings hung on the mantel or plaid throws over chairs. For those in warmer climates or who love dining under the stars, an outdoor Christmas feast is magical. Set up a long table on your patio or deck and let nature's beauty be your backdrop. String twinkling lights overhead to create a festive ambiance. Lanterns along the table add a warm glow, and cozy blankets on chairs keep guests comfortable. You know what truly makes a house a home? It's the personal touches that tell your family's story. Add handwritten place cards tied with rosemary or a cinnamon stick, or place a handwritten note of gratitude at each setting. This Christmas, let your dinner setup be more than just decor. It's the backdrop for love, laughter, and lasting memories. Let us know in the comments which idea you're trying or share your own creative setups. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Wishing you a merry, magical, and memory-filled Christmas.